Welcome to the new lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn at how to apply CSS to any HTML element using jQuery. So right in the index.js I'm going to write dollar to parentheses, and after that dot box. I'm going to select the first box, right, this box. I'm going to apply the CSS on this one, and after the parentheses dot CSS, two parentheses, and after that two strings, double quotation, and after that two double quotation and semicolon. On this first double quotation, this would be the property, and this would be the value. What does that property mean? Property means it should be a color, border, padding, margin, right? So I'm going to apply the property color on this first box, and the color value would be orange. So when I save the file and when I refresh the page, when I will click on this button, you guys will notice that the text will change, the color of the text will change from black to orange. So as you guys have noticed that when I click on the button, the color of the text has changed from black to orange. So this is just a one row. What if I need to add a multiple rows, like with border, padding? So what I need to do that, what I'm going to remove it, and after that two curly braces. This should be property, right, and two colon, and this should be value, right, and after that another property and colon, and this should be value, right? So if I color, and this should be orange, and border, and inside that the value would be 1 or 2 px solid orange. So there's no need to write any semicolon after that. So I have saved the file. When I refresh the page, you guys have noticed that this div border will change to the orange and the text will change to the orange. So as you guys have noticed that we have implemented multiple rows using jQuery on this CSS. If you want to implement on the second, on the last, right, so as you can see that hello 4 has been changed. So guys, in this class we have learned that how to use CSS method in the jQuery, right? So in the next classes we are going to learn some different methods, so stay tuned. Have a nice day.